Hi, fourth grade. This video is going to go over classroom practice 41 in case you get stuck at all. Exercise 1. Ask the waiter for coffee and cake. Who asked the waiter for coffee and cake? You. You implied. So you is the subject pronoun. What is being said about you? You ask. It's an action. Ask is the verb. You ask whom? Waiter. Does waiter mean the same as you? It does not. It's receiving the action. It's a direct object. Therefore, ask is a verb transitive. The is an article adjective. For is a preposition. For what? Coffee and cake. These are compound objects of the preposition. And is a conjunction. Put parentheses around your prepositional phrase. This is a subject noun, verb transitive, direct object pattern 2. Period, command, imperative sentence. We know that because it's making a command. It's talking to you implied. Divide the subject, you, from the predicate. And we are all done. Sentence 2. The new students played with us on the playground. Who played with us on the playground? Students. Subject noun. What is being said about the students? They played. With is a preposition. With whom? With us. That's the object of the preposition. The is an article adjective. What kind of students? New students. It's an adjective. The, of course, is also an article adjective. On is a preposition. On what? The playground, object of the preposition. Let's put parentheses around our prepositional phrases. Period, statement, declarative sentence. We don't have a direct object, so we don't have a verb transitive. So this is just regular subject, noun, verb. Pattern 1. Divide the complete subject, the new students, from the predicate, which is the rest of the sentence. Sentence 3. The little chipmunk stuffed his cheeks with ripe acorns. What stuffed his cheeks with ripe acorns? Chipmunk. Subject noun. What is being said about chipmunk? Chipmunk stuffed. Verb. Chipmunk stuffed what? Cheeks. Direct object. Let's make this a verb transitive. Whose cheeks? His. Possessive pronoun, adjective. With is a prepositional phrase. With what? Acorns. Object of the preposition. With what kind of acorns? Ripe acorns. Adjective. Put your parentheses around the prepositional phrase. What kind of chipmunk? Little chipmunk. The is an article adjective. Period, statement, declarative sentence. We have a verb transitive here, so this is subject noun, verb transitive, direct object pattern 2. Let's divide the complete subject, which is the little chipmunk, with the predicate. All right. That's the end of exercise 1. We'll go on to exercise 2. I'm going to clear all of this out. For exercise 2, it says, change the underlined mixed tense verbs in paragraph 1 to past tense verbs in paragraph 2. Beth was in a gymnastics meet. Let's go ahead. We're going to be turning these into past tense verbs. So let's circle all of the present tense verbs because those are the ones that we'll have to change. So we want them all to be past tense. Beth was, past tense, in a gymnastics meet. She twists, that's present tense. Turned, past, and tumbled, past. She soars, present. Threw space before she landed, past, gracefully upon her feet. The crowd cheered, past, and applauds, that's present, for her with enthusiasm. Beth faces, that's present, the judges and saluted, past, with a broad smile and proud look on her face. The judges award, that's present, her with a high score. Beth was pleased with her performance, that's past. Okay. Beth was in a gymnastics meet. She twisted, turned, and tumbled. She soared through space before she landed gracefully upon her feet. The crowds cheered and applauded for her with enthusiasm. Beth faced the judges and saluted with a broad smile and proud look on her face. The judges awarded her a high score. Beth was pleased with her performance. Okay, and that's the end of exercise 2. And let's do the editing. It was a lazy summer day. Capitalize it. It's the first word of the sentence. It was a lazy summer day, comma. So we have a comma and a conjunction here. So that means we have a compound sentence because we have 2 independent clauses. So I of course needs to be capitalized, decided to go fishing, period. The end of the sentence. As I fished, let's capitalize the first word, capitalize the word I. As I fished along the bank, bank of course is spelled wrong here. of the pond, comma, I spied a old bottle. No, we have to say an old bottle because old starts with an O, which is a vowel. Period. Capitalize the first word of the sentence. And it's I, which we would have to capitalize anyway. I immediately thought of an genie. That's not right. Genie starts with a consonant. You have to say a genie. In the bottle. That's the wrong kind of in. That's an in like a hotel, but we need in. In the bottle, period. We need to capitalize. I were already thinking. No, we need subject-verb agreement. We need I was already thinking of my 3 wishes when I felt. I always needs to be capitalized. I felt a tug on my line, period. Again, we need to capitalize the word I. It's a lot of forgetting to capitalize the word I. I didn't, we need an apostrophe there because we have a contraction. I didn't get my 3 wishes, comma. But, we have a comma and a conjunction. That means we have a compound sentence here because we have 2 independent clauses. But I, capitalize I, did catch an lot of fish. Of course, we need it to say a lot of fish. And then we need a period at the end. Okay, let's see if we got everything. N marks, 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got that. Capitals, 10. There's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have 10. Commas, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right here. All right. Homonyms. We know our homonym was in. Okay, so we got that one. Apostrophe. We needed an apostrophe for the contractions. We got that one. Subject verb agreement. I was. Got that one. A and. There are a lot of these. Right here. 1, 2, 3. We have all 3. And misspelled words. Bank. All right, we have everything. I also sent out an answer key, so you can look at that with your parents if you would like.